Hi everybody, quick screencast on part 2 of the assignment 7. You may notice there's a problem calculating the total. Fix it for another 2 points. Well, first thing we want to do is define what the problem is, right? So if I go like this, I got 400 bucks, right? And if I hit another one, you see product 2, but this still stays at $400. If I hit it again, I got 3. It really should be $1,200 at this point. So the idea is to fix this area. And so you've given the code. I wanted to give you a reason to install it. That was kind of my point. So now we see line 6 is the total. And as we loop through products and things like that, we see the loop ends here at line 123. But we still need to update that total. So we need to figure out where that total is located, right? So let's inspect it real quick. And so if I do this, I can see it's an H4 inside a table. And this is kind of how you can utilize your knowledge of, Chrome to help locate the section where it is. Here I see, table data right here, and I see total right here. And you can see we're printing the total. So the total equals the total plus the product price. So in each turn of the loop, we're adding the total. The total is equal to the total plus the product price. But no place here do we have quantity. So what we can do is replace this with this line. Take a good look at it. This is the one that doesn't take into account the quantity. This will take in the quantity. So we're going to take the price, $400 times 3, which would be $1,200, and we're going to add it to the current total. So when I hit refresh on this, after I delete the old one, or I can always just comment it out so you can have it as a record. Now I can hit refresh, and now you see 1,200. And I can go in and add another one to cart, and you see 1,900. I can add another camera, just 2,600. Now we've solved our problem. Now just step back a bit and ask yourself, why would he ask me to do this? Well, the idea is to make this a little bit more easy for those of you who want to deviate away from OpenCart because of what it does to the restriction on your designs and your templates and your CSS. If we look at our open source cart here, the one that I've created, you can see a separation of responsibility. There's PHP that's separate from the inside, but when we go to output each value, here we go, we have a for each loop. So if you remove the HTML from this, which I encourage you to do, you can see how you could implement this into your step. For example, this right here, this is your entire loop for the product. So in each turn of the loop, we have this, this, and then this. So if we delete, you can see it goes down to 2 times 400. So now we've solved it. But I want you to experiment with the complexity. All you need to do is know a little bit of PHP to get this thing done. I'm giving you the entire PHP, and it's what I like to call entry-level understandable PHP, compared to OpenCart, which is the model view controller paradigm, which it can be a little more complicated to fix the structure. All right, any questions? Don't hesitate to reach out.